hi everyone, this is Chili Sin Carne. I'm here in Suzhou, which is in the Jiangsu province in China. And here I'm in the Suzhou Museum, which was designed by Ai Pei. Ai Pei is one of the most famous architects here in China. He also designed the Museum of Louvre in Paris. So here, this is one of his masterpieces. So I'm going to show you around. It's very highly recommended. This part of the museum is dedicated to Chinese calligraphy, which is in Chinese is called Chu Fa. Okay, we are here in Suzhou Santangjiē. Santangjiē.
Yeah.
So this is a very typical, traditional Chinese street. It's very commercial. It's also connecting all the canals. So I see all these small boats at the back. So you see, it's like it looks like Venice. So also Suzhou is one of the water towns here in Jiangsu province. In the Jiangsu province, I don't know why it's very common people like to dress in pajamas like this girl. Okay, so now we are back to Shanghai, and it was a very productive day. We made it. Thanks, Nina, for bringing me here to Suzhou.
Gracias por Julie.
Ajá. Muy bien, muy bien. Muy buen español. Beats.